What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYBX and Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And today we are out at some of the dealerships with Mrs. Laneyy getting her car serviced. And we're looking around the lots because I seen a lot of Supras pulling up. So we're gonna go ahead and just see, you know, what kind of Supras is around where we live in. See what kind of tasteful things other people are doing with their Supras in the same city as me. So obviously Susie is the best Supra in existence. So here are the first two Supras that I seen. This one looks pretty stock, but it looks lowered. It's got a little duckbill wing. Other than that, pretty simple, pretty stock, but clean. So can never go wrong with that. But then here is one of the newer ones. I can tell by obviously the newer wheels, and these wheels are so fire. And it's the manual. Did we give Susie up for a manual version of the Supra? I don't know. Probably not, because the point of Susie, for me anyways, is I want it to be fast, reliable, and easy to drive around. Even though it would be cool to have the Supra in a manual, that's just not what I don't want the Supra in a manual, because it's my like daily cool car. So I don't want to be driving to LA and back. It's like 2 hours away with all that traffic. So even though it would be nice, it's just not practical enough for me to have it in a manual. So plus the 8-speed auto is way faster, so we want Susie to be as fast as possible and reliable as possible until we get our next build, you know. So yeah, here's this one. I think there's one more not too far away, and then we're gonna go ahead to the other dealerships and see what they got for sale. Spot a little RX-8 for anybody who likes RX-8. Little thing right there, but boom. All right, y'all, here's that blue Supra. It looks like it's lower, got a little carbon fiber duckbill. I feel like most Supras that you see are either just gonna have springs and that same exact duckbill, which is obviously a really clean and safe way to do it. If you're not really trying to like build it super crazy for YouTube like I am, this is a perfect way to have your Supra. And for those of you who don't know, I was gonna buy this color first. What do y'all think about this blue? I honestly think this is one of my favorite colors factory. For the Supra, this blue is beautiful to me. So
it's beautiful.
It really is. Do you guys think I should have gotten this, or you think the white is better? Y'all let me know in the comments. All right, y'all, we were gonna walk to Porsche, but it's a million degrees. So Mrs. Laneyy got a rental. She was not having the heat, huh, baby?
You were not having the heat.
I wasn't either. Look,
It's
look,
Susan,
y'all.
not Susie.
I didn't even see the license plate. It says Susie. Well, it says Susan, but I guess that's Susie's cousin. Welcome to Porsche. This thing's pretty sick. One of the cars that I would love to own one day, which is probably very unreachable, is probably a GT2 RS or a GT3 RS, or a Turbo S, something like that. I'm not too huge on Porsches, but I do know they're amazing cars, and I'd love to have one day. So we're gonna come in here and experience them. Fun fact, I came into this exact Porsche dealership maybe 5 years ago, sat in a Porsche and panicked because I didn't know how to get out. This thing right here is fire. How much is this hitting for? 200. Damn. It's a GT4. Look at that Susie out there. We're gonna take a look at that. GT4s are sick too, I ain't gonna lie. Got the old school. This thing is legendary. This thing is super sick. It's a casual M3 sitting outside. I can't tell you what E30, 40, 50, 76 Beamer M3 this is, but you know, I'm not the biggest Beamer guy. But here is the yellow Susie. It's a newer one. And those wheels look so good. Pretty clean. We are now at BMW. First thing we see is this M4, but it is absolutely disgusting because it has a drop top. I don't know who spec'd this car, but that's disgusting. You need to go wash them out with soap because that's just gross. They got a F80 M3 on the HREs. This thing is clean. It's got some intakes already. Oh yeah, y'all can see that in there. Blue, this thing is clean. I don't know if this is a customer car or if this is somebody's car. I'm not sure, but they do got some pretty clean stuff. They got all the M4s, but they're all Drop top. Why? All right, y'all, it has now been a couple days since we went to the dealership and did all that good stuff, shopped around for the new cars. Today is a good day. Today is a huge milestone, putting the body kit on and the rear bumper, after all the trials and tribulations and the truth being uncovered with how, just, you know, what condition the bumper was in. After all of that back and forth and up and down, it is finally done and it is finally ready to be fully installed on the car today. And that is what we're going to be doing. The front bumper is close to being done. It's close to being to this point, and the full body kit is it's this close. We just got to put the final touches on it, and the kit will fully be on the car and be sent out to wrap. And version 1 of Susie will be one for the book. So yeah, if you guys are excited for the bumper to be on the car today, in this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family. I know it's been a little bit slow. I haven't been going to no car meets, no nothing. I've just been strictly focused on trying to help my uncle as much as possible with finishing this so that we can get it done for you guys. Because as much as you want to see it, I want to see it too. I know some of y'all know that not having your car for 2 months really sucks. So I want it done just as much as you want it done. So yeah, let's go.
Baby, I know you just got off work and you've been slaving. Trying to make the ends meet, girl, with no complaining.
Oh, look at this 32 Skyline. And the, damn. So, we cracked up in the Celsius. If y'all haven't tried this flavor, it's fire. Highly recommend this flavor. But here is Susie. If you haven't realized, I'm on a different camera. We're bringing back the G7X. Y'all let me know if y'all like the G7X or the wide angle from the GoPro better. But as you see, we got hit by a freaking desert sandstorm hurricane in the last week, and Susie is now a barn find Supra. She's been neglected for about 4 days, and this is what happens in California. The bumper is there, it looks amazing, feels amazing, it's damn near perfect, and the only thing we have to do left to adjust for the Supra is to shave these little plastic pieces right here. We were running into some fitment issues right there, and that was the problem. So we're gonna fix that right now by shaving it down. Also, in the last video, I never checked to see what the damage was from this little plastic cover. And as you can see, yeah, just like these little safeguards are definitely chewed up and burnt to shit. But as long as like none of these holes right here are chewed up, I think we're good. All right, we're starting to get cutting. But always remember, safety first.
Yeah, you want to lose your eyesight.
Yeah, because then we can't see how good the car is going to look. It's off. There it is. We got fitment. It's officially salvage title. Here you go. This is the final product of the side, and I guarantee you, you can't even notice the difference. It's so smooth, flush, everything. It's like it was never even there in the first place. All right, here's the bumper. We put on gloves because we don't want to dirty this. And you guys probably can't tell the difference right now on camera, but maybe you can see it a little bit because this camera has better quality, but it's just better. It's silky smooth. Everything is pretty much perfect. And we got these holes re-drilled right here. If the camera will focus, bow, right there. And then we're gonna be doing these two and mocking it up to the car right now. So we're gonna be putting that onto that.
On the bottom of the beach, she screamed, I'm so cold with place to go. Can never seem to face these things. She losing.
So what's happening? Think we could force it in there a little bit?
I want to force it. Let's see what let me see how much play I have with this thing. Let me pop this out a little bit.
For now, the small issue we ran into right now, it's kind of a little bit too thick, right?
Too wide.
It's too wide. From the
you might be able to put it through there.
Yeah, and this where this blue tape is what we're talking about, where it's too wide, and there's a very, very thin margin on the bumper, on the actual bumper, where it's gonna fit in. So we have to find the perfect balance between that. And other than that, this thing fits like a charm. I think once we dial that in, this thing's gonna line right up. Here we go, y'all.
I mix the X with the Molly and now I'm too geeked up. She all on her back with her feet up, with her knees touch when we teed up. I hate the first phase I get freeze up. Give me some juice I could lead up. She got some friends, tell them bring them. And don't bring that guy, we don't need him. Pole on me, no dancing. Whole game, you just acting. You could try your chances. We can make.
Hopefully, these adjustments right here make it fit perfect, because we really want to get this thing on. Let go. Yeah, it's on there. It's not bolted on, y'all, but I mean, it's on there and it fits pretty good. Dang, this thing looks sick. Damn. Yeah, y'all can kind of get a good idea of the body lines, how it's gonna look. It's pretty much perfect. See the body lines. It's not bolted in, so it's not gonna be perfectly flush until we bolt it in, but yeah, y'all, this looks pretty freaking sick. Here it is with the trunk closed. She looks pretty good. That looks really fire. That looks crazy. Yeah, the fitment it's there. When it's bolted in, it's there. And here it is on the ground. Damn, it's gonna look mean. And remember, it's not all gonna be one color when it gets wrapped. The diffuser will be black, and then up towards that section right there that y'all can see with the light, that's all gonna be the wrap color. Just how aggressive that sits. Dang. Yeah, that looks mean.
I got a stick, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bridge on a yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a razor. Stella got me teed up.